Namaste to all health and nature lovers. Welcome to my channel Pratibha's Organic Hub. Today I am very much excited because this is the first time I am offering Bonalu to the goddess by following all traditional rituals and customs. Every year I offer sweet pongal and rice. I just pack them in a box and offer them. But this year I thought to do it better, so I tried it to my best. I love to celebrate Bonalu because it enhances the feminine power within us. In this video, I am going to show the preparation of Vadibiyam, Bonam decoration and puja, and also offering the Bonam at the temple. So friends, without any further delay, let's start the video. Now I am decorating the clay pot with turmeric, kumkum and rice flour. Bonalu is a Hindu festival where goddess Mahakali is worshipped. It is an annual festival celebrated in Twin Cities, Hyderabad and Secunderabad and other parts of Telangana in India. Bonalu is celebrated usually during Ashada Masam that falls in July and August. The festival is considered as a form of thanksgiving to the goddess for protecting us and fulfilling our vows. The word Bonam means Bhojanam, which means a meal or treat in Telangana. Here you can see I am adding tamarind juice along with onions and green chilies into the clay pot. This is also one of the favorite dish to the goddess. In the scientific point of view, it is the natural coolant to our body. Bonalu involves the worship of Mother Goddess in religious forms like Maisamma, Pochamma, Ellamma, etc. All these are the forms of Mahakali. I have prepared 3 favorite dishes for the goddess: tamarind juice, sweet pongal and curd rice. After adding tamarind juice into the clay pot, I am decorating that with neem leaves. Make sure to wash the neem leaves properly. Bonalu is the festival which is very closely related to nature. In this festival, we use all the natural and antiseptic ingredients like turmeric, neem leaves, lemons. All these are very powerful and packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties. In the monsoon season, many of us face cold, flu, viral attacks and other contagious diseases. So this festival gives us the scientific knowledge to use more turmeric, neem leaves, lemons, especially in this monsoon seasons, to fight off all the kind of viral attacks and contagious diseases. It is a kind of natural remedy and also a festival. Now I am decorating the second pot. In this pot, I am going to add sweet pongal. To the second pot, I am adding sweet pongal. I have prepared millet pongal, which is very healthy and also one of the favorite dish to goddess. This dish is very healthy and tasty. This is the festival which is celebrated in the traditional point of view and also in the scientific point of view. Now I am adding my third dish, that is curd rice. Betel leaf is also packed with many antiviral and antibacterial properties. Before leaving to the temple, perform regular puja at your home. At home, after lighting the lamp, you can chant Durga Namavali to enhance the divine power and positivity. This is my bonum which I am going to offer to the goddess. See how beautiful and graceful it is. Now it's time to offer to the goddess. I have reached the temple to offer my bonum. Here you can see I am offering my bonum to the goddess. It is full of turmeric, neem leaves, and it has finished. Now I have visited another temple, that is Mahakali temple. This temple is also very close to my home. Here also I am offering pongal, curd rice. Overall, the experience was very positive and divine. So this is the first time I have enjoyed it and made it successful. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.